Well, the number has bumped up again. Another tornado tore through Michigan on March 30th, bringing the statewide total to 13.
The National Weather Service confirmed this latest one today. Chief Meteorologist Ellen Baca here now to show us where it happened, Ellen.
Yeah, this one coming in near Kent City. So if we show you where it occurred on the map, it was only on the ground for about 1.5 miles, but estimated peak wind speeds of 95 miles per hour touching down just before 6 p.m. Here's a look at the map. This is just for March 30th. And as we just mentioned, a good 13 tornadoes on that day. In terms of how many we are at now for your 2025 Michigan total, 15. 2 more were reported the Wednesday following. And average tornadoes per year for the state of Michigan usually only coming in at about 12. So already ahead of average, and we haven't even hit our typical peak tornado season yet. Now, just because we've had an active start does not mean that we have an active year ahead, but it does mean that we have to kind of watch as we move closer to May and June and July. Drought monitor, here's some good news. We've seen a lot of our drought mitigated. In fact, we have a few counties that are abnormally dry, but just a couple of months ago, we were sitting with severe drought over several counties. Part of that is because it's just been so damp lately, and it's been kind of a good thing. We've been seeing a good amount of rain and snow melting down. And tonight, no rain or snow. We're going to be clearing our skies out. In fact, some peaks of sunshine already present now, and that's just going to be building into what we experience tomorrow. So you can see how the cloud deck is eroding currently. And as we mentioned just a few minutes ago, we're going to be seeing this system move out, high pressure move in. Quiet conditions for us locally, quiet conditions across the Great Lakes for Friday and Saturday. So here are our temperatures for the next 24 hours. Tomorrow, high of 51. That is a little cooler than average for this time of year, but about 10 degrees warmer than what we've been experiencing today. And again, the wind stays light with sunshine. So 7 a.m. quiet start to the day. By noon, we expect a few clouds, but nothing much. Tomorrow might be one of those cool days where the clouds kind of line themselves up with the wind. If we continue into Saturday, blue sky day, nice and dry and crisp to start. And then by Saturday evening, 56 degrees. Sunday, a chance of a shower, 60 degrees. So let's talk about that shower chance again for Sunday. Not looking heavy. Looks like it will be very hit or miss, light stuff. And then Monday, most of the action actually misses us to the east. Tuesday, it gets windy and chilly. Temperatures dropping to 42, breezy conditions, northwest winds gusting to 30 miles per hour. There's your 8-day forecast. Enjoy the warm up before we cool down again next week.